Hey, my creatives, it's your girl Tina. Welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas, everybody. I would think at this time, everybody probably done already ate the main meal. They going back for seconds, and we having desserts. How's it going? Let's get into this video. All right, I wanted to show you all this little die that I've been playing with. I've had this die in my stash for a long time. And as always, when I first get something, I try it out. I did not like this die at first because the holes would not line up. So I threw the die to the side, haven't returned to the die until now. So it's been about, I was gifted this die a good 4 years ago, about 3 or 4. No, maybe I'll say about, 2 or 3 years ago, I was gifted this die and I tried it and I was getting frustrated with it, so I tossed it. Well, I went and revisited, took my time, and before I put any adhesive, I just played around with it. And I'm like, okay, is this what do you call it, a defective die, or is it something that I'm doing wrong? I found the way. And I guess at first I must have been doing it wrong. So I found the right way. And now my holes line up. So let me show you the die that I'm talking about. A really cute die. So this is that Lori Woodlock die. Let's see, what is it called? Lip balm holder. And I really like it. And I was like, oh, that would be perfect. When I received it in the in some Happy Mail, I was like, this would be perfect to make some nice little, giveaways for my students and everything. But again, I was struggling with the die holes lining up. So let me show you what I set and I created. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. They turned out really cute. This is a very simple die, but yet a really nice die. This is one of those dies that you can make multiples of without, really taking a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of materials, and they're cute if you having a party. They're cute for giveaways, thinking of you, just a little something to make you smile. It's just cute. You can also use these as like bridal party gifts, little thank yous for coming or whatever. So cute. So I just made a variety of them. Once I figured out how to line the holes up, it was easy pleasy. Oh my goodness, I couldn't stop once I figured everything out. So I just used some scraps from my collection, and I decided to make some, and I love them. And I have all different kinds of, some of them got Carmax in them. Some of them has, what is it called? The lip balm. Some of those is in there. So it's just varieties of lip treatments. All right, so I want to show you what I was doing wrong and what I have discovered that I need to do for this die. Okay, I'm gonna put these over here. Y'all can keep looking at these. I'm telling you, these are too cute. All right, so we're gonna put one together, and I'm gonna show you how easy. If you have this die, I don't know if you struggled with it or not. It comes with a lot of pieces. I have not used any of those pieces. I just wanted to use the base. All right, so this is simply it. I use these two dies, and they mat each other. This is the base, and this is the mat that goes inside that holds the chapstick. All right, so the first thing I do is I crease the paper. Okay, now one thing too, you have to watch with this particular die. If you got paper that has words on it or a certain print, you got to watch how you cut that out because of the way that the die lays. Okay, so the second layout, I crease these. This die really cuts like butter. I had no problem with the cutting of the die. I just had a problem with matching up the holes, and that really frustrated me when I first got that die and made me toss that die to the side. And somebody's probably saying, what did it matter if the holes didn't line up? Well, for me, it mattered. That would have bugged me, and I would have never wanted to give anybody something, and it just didn't even look right, right? Okay, so this is what I was doing at first. When I first tried the dye, I didn't do any creasing. I just felt like because they were layered, I could just lay this on here flat and it line up. It doesn't line up if you lay it out flat just like that. You just can't get it. The holes will not line up if you try to do this before you crease it. You see? No matter how you maneuver it, how you make it, try to fit, it don't line up. So that's what made me toss this die. And I was like, okay, maybe the lady sent me a defective die. I don't know. But it was a gift, so I didn't say anything. When I pulled it out the other day, here I go playing around with it. Couldn't get it that time. You all, I was getting ready to toss this die in the garbage because I'm not keeping nothing I'm not using in this craft room. My space is limited, and I want everything to be able to, that's in here to be able to be used. So then something said crease it. So I creased everything. And let me show you what happened once I creased everything. All right, so I creased everything, right? Now, I take this beacons, and I'm looking at this, and I said, okay, the first time when I did it, I put glue everywhere and tried to put it down. Did not work. Did not line up. Second time, I said I'm only going to put glue here and here. No glue on this panel. So let's go. I mean, I don't know. Somebody might be saying, Tina, really, you had to go through all that? Yeah, I just couldn't get it, and it took me a minute. But, honey, now I got it. And we cooking with grease. Okay? Because y'all know how I feel about stuff falling apart and things that don't line up, don't look right. Not doing it. All right. Now, I take this. No adhesive here. I shape this one because I creased the little lines, score lines. Now I lay it in there, and I take this standing up, and the lines are even. I take this standing up, and I'm able to now make the holes even. Now I lay it to the side, and as you can see, I have an even lay now. Can you see that better? You all, that have frustrated me so, Tia. I'm telling you, I was getting ready today to toss this die. And they was saved by the bell. Now, so the key to this for me that I want to share with you all that have this die, and if you struggled with lining the holes up, the key is do not try to assemble this before you crease. You got to crease everything, form it, and then lay the liner on the inside. And that's my tip for y'all about this. Okay? All right, now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and do the outside of this before I put my lip balm in there. Okay? So this is my front, right? I want this to be my front side. Okay, so that's my front side. So we're just going to take this up. Okay. We just adhering that. And then I got these lips over here. We're just going to put that down. Put a little glue. Okay. I'm going to put that right over there. Real simple. When I say this is a simple little gift, oh my God, I love it. So now I'm going to put this in, insert this there, right? You all. Oh, it's too cute. Got my little string over here. All right. Now I can't tell you where to find this at because, like I said, it was gifted to me, but I'm sure it's out there somewhere. This is a Lori Whitlock die. Okay. We'll make this little nice little bow here. Tell me this is not cute. Now, this is what I want to do. I really don't want a bow. This is what I want. I love that. Just like that. That is too cute. So you all, these are my little lip balms. I'm getting ready for Valentines. These are the cutest. Oh my goodness. I love the way that they turned out. So this is the Lori Whitlock lip balm holder. And this is what I created. Y'all tell me what you think. If you have this die and you did not have any issues, but you put it together differently from me, leave me some hints down in the comments. If you have this die, you never use it, you need to pull it out. It's the best thing since sliced bread. Can I say that? All right, y'all. Stop fooling with y'all. What desserts we eating? Put it down there in them comments. And I know we having desserts and we eating some. We're drinking some yummy beverages. Now I want to know: did anybody do some eggnog? My husband loves eggnog. I do not drink eggnog, but I do like the hot apple cider on Christmas with the cinnamon sticks and the apple juice, the orange juice, and the pineapple juice, and you boil it and make it like a tea. Oh, that is delicious. And you put the long fresh cinnamon sticks in there. Oh my goodness, I love that. And I do like the coconut, no, not coconut, the peppermint mocha cream coffee that you put in the cream, and I make a cold drink, put it with the ice and make it like a slushy. Oh my God, I love those too on Christmas. So what y'all drinking for Christmas? Eggnog, hot apple cider, or do y'all got some kind of coffee drink? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Merry Christmas. Tell me what y'all think about these little lovelies. Till next time, y'all stay blessed. Wash them hands every 15 minutes, hot water and soap, and keep creating. Talk to y'all.